Welcome back to the final lesson in this series in which we've been answering the question, why do banks credit my account when I deposit money, and why do banks debit my account when I withdraw money? And we've been answering that question using double-entry principles or double-entry rules. And we said that it's because of we summarized the answer to that question in one word: perspective. And what we mean by that is the banks prepare the statement from their perspective. In other words, they view your deposit as a liability and not as an asset. Now, what I always do is I give you an opportunity to test your understanding. It's very important that when we've gone through a class, that we look back and check if we've understood. And so what I've prepared is a crossword puzzle, and this will help you to check if you've understood the principles that we've been learning. I need to say to you that it's very important that you go through the first series and also this series, or at least the first session and this session of classes, because what we're doing is we are building on knowledge that we've gained since session 1. And so if you're having problems trying to complete this crossword puzzle, what it's communicating to you is you need to go through all the sessions, and when you've done that, you won't have any problems trying to answer the questions in this crossword puzzle. So I've prepared a number of I've given you clues going down. The first one is a double entry account has two sides, a debit side and you have to fill the blank in. The second one is from the bank's perspective. When you deposit money, it is recognized as what? Number 3, going down, when the bank credits your account, it means the transaction will something your account balance. And number 4, the debit entry of an asset is on the which side of the double entry account. And then across, if your bank debits your account, it means the account balance has something. Number 6, do banks observe double entry principles? That's an easy one. Number 7, payment of rent through the bank involves entries in two accounts, bank and what's the other account? Number 8, double entry involves how many entries? Number 9, receipt of sales paid through the bank by a customer involves entry in the bank account and what's the second account? And then number 10, the credit entry of an asset is always recorded on which side? Okay, fantastic. Okay, and here's the crossword puzzle for you. So using the clues that we had in the previous slide, you should be able to complete this crossword puzzle. Please send me a copy of your crossword puzzle. I'd love to see how you're doing. And like I said to you, if you're able to complete this, then it means you've understood the principles that we've been teaching. Okay, thank you so much for joining me. Take care. Bye.